Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Asus Zenfone 7, at the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. We are going to use application name Send Anywhere. Let's get this one. And do the same on the second device. I did it and right now I can easily open it. Open also on our Asus. Accept all this stuff right here that pops on the screen. And as you can see, we can send photos, video, audio, apps, contacts, and also other things. But it's only example, so I will go for these photos. And if you select everything, you have to click send. On your Asus, you have to go for the receive and input this key right here. Click to receive. Then as you can see, the transfer is complete. So right now when we enter for the gallery, we can find this stuff that we sent from the Send Anywhere application. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!